hanging on a cross, and tell me what you see, and what does it all mean? All